Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your premier hub for cutting edge stock insights. I'm Mitchell, and today we are powering up with the GE Vernova, ticker GEV, the trailblazer in electrification and renewable energy solutions. Electrifying surge today. As of December 10th, GEV shares have rocketed 13% to 709.82 cents, smashing all time highs after yesterday's investor update. The catalyst? A doubled quarterly dividend of 0.50 per share payable Q1 2026 and a $4 billion buyback boost to $10 billion total authorization. Already $3.3 billion repurchased this year. Management raised 2026 revenue guidance to 41 to 42 billion, up from prior estimates, with 2028 projections hitting 52 billion on low double-digit CAGR, fueled by AI data center demand for gas turbines and grid tech. This builds on 2025's high-end revenue trajectory of 36 to 37 billion and year-to-date gains over 86%, underscoring GEV's pivotal role in the energy transition. Analysts are hiking price targets, but monitor execution amid supply chain pressures. GEV, the AI energy play to watch? Share your thoughts below, hit like, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for your daily market pulse. Invest sharp, catch you next time. Guys, links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.